Ciao, amici! Ever wondered why we dream at night? Is it magic, science, or just our brain being silly? Let's find out!
Long ago, people thought dreams were messages from gods and spirits. But today, scientists say dreams happen when our brain is busy at night.
Sometimes our dreams are totally crazy, like pizza monsters or flying chickens.
Dreams might help us sort memories, keeping the good ones safe.
Dreams can solve problems, even while we sleep. Nightmares might look scary, but they're just your brain playing tricks.
Flying dreams are common, and they often mean freedom and confidence in real life.
Even dogs and cats dream. Maybe about bones or giant fish.
Scientists still don't fully know why we dream.
Dreams are like our brain's movies, fun, scary, or magical. Buonanotte.